Today is gonna be epic. I need such a gearbox in my Outback. I'm waiting for my taxi. Where it is? My taxi! A 2004 STI. And who is in there? Alex!
Hello.
Hi Alex!
Hello.
What do you do there?
We're calibrating the car currently, the ECU.
And it is normally a normal STI with a little bit of power, but the coolest thing on this car is, can you imagine what this here is? When I was young, I was always dreaming about a car with a sequential gearbox, like a rally car, and you sit on you stay on the street on the traffic lights, and then you put the first gear on, and exactly that we do now. We check out this sequential gearbox. Yes, let's go.
Yes, it's a hard clutch, right? It's a dual clutch.
Okay.
Actually, twin clutch.
What? That was always my dream. But you also can shift with clutch, right?
Yeah, no, normally you shift with clutch.
Yeah.
But if you're driving very fast and hard, you can shift without the clutch.
Yeah.
Due to the load cell installed in this gearbox. So I have a shifting strategy that I retard the timing, so releasing the load on the engine so that you can shift lightly without clutching.
Okay. Yeah, that's smooth. With clutch, easy. Oh.
Pull for upshifts, push for downshifts.
Yeah.
You have to get used to.
It's pretty loud. Pretty loud.
Definitely.
For a normal daily car.
And we're just driving 50 kilometers per hour at the moment.
How much costs this gearbox? That's from Roger Clark Motorsport one, right?
Yeah, you have to know it. You're an RCM dealer.
I don't know.
I guess it's,
sorry. I have no customers who bought this gearbox.
I think around about 20,000 pounds, I guess.
Wow.
They're quite expensive. And you have to imagine, or you have to include in your calculation that you better use a standalone ECU.
Yeah.
Than just a kill switch for the ignition.
3,000 euro?
At least, yes, with calibration a lot more.
Whoa.
And yes, it's for a daily driver, it's nothing you want to drive every day.
That is expensive fun, guys.
Definitely.
But I'm feeling the car is so much quicker. I feel it now already.
Yes, it feels far quicker.
Yeah, yeah.
Kein Feuer.
Kein Feuer. Ich bin die ganze Zeit da so rumgeeiert. Hello. What you do exactly there?
Currently I set up the knock strategy for the shifting points. So due to the load cell and the gear calculation, I know whenever I shift or when I shift, and now I've set a timer to deactivate the knock target, or to set the knock target extremely high whenever I shift for 0.2 or 0.3 seconds, just for a short moment, that the hard noise and hard shift won't be recognized by the knock sensor.
Okay.
Another try, yes.
Another try without clutch?
Yes, without clutch from first. Okay.
gearbox in my Outback. In my Outback, right? Nice.
Oh, we're running out of fuel.
Oh yeah.
Definitely.
I hope we come back home. Okay guys, that was a awesome afternoon for me, because that was always my dream, to ride in a car with a sequential gearbox and then a Subi with a little bit of power. It is good. That feels so nice. Come on, last time, yes? Woo! Alex, we need that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Alex's channel. There you find more about this nice project here and another cool project. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao and bye bye.